Hello and welcome to Where is Cat? So welcome to Where is Cat? There's English, French, Netherlands, and Dutch. I'm English. Vienne, 5 years, Jasper. Okay, well, where's Cat? Okay, let load. Wait, what? Oh, no, I get it. So I'm clicking on Cat, okay. Okay, that's just the thing. That's the thing, that's the cat. Oh, I see you. I'm gonna look behind the box. Wait, yes, the pot. Is that a tail? That, and, hi. How, wait. Oh, it's moving to the red disc now. I get it. Not the red disc. That's the red disc. Yep. I saw one before. See you. I don't. Oh, okay. Oh, what do you want? A cup. Okay, I want a blue cup. Blue. I don't see a blue cup. So no. You see a blue cup? Found it. Is that it in the, no. Turn sideways. Where is Cat? It's not Cat, blue cup. Honestly, where is the blue cup? No, it's not. Something. It looks like, no. Where is, you know what? I don't see Cat. Not Cat, but yep. Where is it? It's not you. That's the cup we need for Mr. Cat. Okay, guys. Getting somewhere. Where's the cup? Wait. Found it. He wants a muffin. No, that's a cupcake. That's a muffin. A cupcake. So that's what that red thing was. Is that the one? That's the one. I saw. I thought I saw it here. Oh yeah, it was behind the dinosaur. I saw that behind there. Saw that right there. No. Where is it gonna be? The cupcake. Cupcake. Oh, now what do you want, you greedy cat? Okay. I want the mouse. Oh. Sassy tail. I don't see a tail here. Where is a tail? Would be behind something. So a tail would be. Let's go in the. Yes, found it. I think I saw. Yep. Is that you? I don't see the mouse here. There can't be a mouse here. There's not a mouse here. No. It's a lie. Where is the mouse? It must be somewhere, right? It has to be somewhere, right? I don't want to cheat, but found it. Where it? Oh, I didn't find that. So, oh, he wants me to find the cat. It's right there. Hi. Cat. Okay. Bonte. Okay. Oh, yay. It's feast. Okay, so I'm gonna not do that. Let's do another one. Find the differences. You know what? No. I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna 5 stars. Never mind. Let's go to we could just do this. Cookie click. I don't know what that is. Cookie clicker. And now that gives me an idea. If I can, you know, like, no, guys. Next episode. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe so I can get more videos. Bye.